Sachin's record special. I am not going to be as good as him, says Virat sir after 49 ODI 10. Thank you. Have a thoughtful Tuesday.
Elephant of grace is our weather report. Minimum temperature 26 degrees, maximum temperature 34 degrees. Thank you. By film we continue by thought for the day. Thought for the day is brought to you by V of grade 6 Sapphire. Thought for the day. 3 sentences for getting success. Know more than other, work more than other, expect less than other. Wrote by William Shakespeare. Thank you. Have a good day.
Today's word is brought to you by Akhilesh of grade 6 Sapphire. Word, congratulations, meaning good wishes on a special occasion. Friends, please spell after me. C-O-N Congratulations.
My name is Happy morning everyone. Today Amazing Facts is brought to you by Chiranjana from grade 6 Sapphire. Amazing Facts. Fact number 1. If you live to age 70, your heart will have beat around 2.5 billion times. Fact number 2. You are about 1 centimeter taller in the morning when you first get up than when you go to bed. Fact number 3. The tongue is covered above 8,000 tasty buds. Thank you. Yes, article on Dhyanchand is brought to you by Bhavesh of grade 6 Sapphire. Article on Dhyanchand. Major Dhyanchand was an Indian field hockey player regarded by as the greatest field hockey player in history. He was born on 26 August 1905. He was known for his extraordinary ball control and goal scorer feats. He earned 3 Olympic medals in 1928, 1932 and 1936 during an era where Indians dominated field hockey. Thank you. Have a great day. Questions on Amazing Facts and article is brought to you by Abhivish from grade 6 Sapphire. Question for grade 6. How many taste buds does our tongue have? Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is 8,000. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 7. How many Olympic medals did Dhyanchand earn? 3. Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is 3 Olympic medals. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 8. Major Dhyanchand was born on 1905. Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer. The answer is August 26, 1905. Question for grade 9. Dhyanchand died on 1979. What is his age? I'll repeat my question. Dhyanchand was died on 1979. What is his age? 22. Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer. The answer is 74 years.
Repeat the question once again.
Dhyanchand died on 1979. What is his age?
Calculate and tell the answer.
74.
74.
Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is 74. Let us appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Have a
We shall overcome someday.
word is meaning. That on and project or project. Project. Friends, please spell after me. COLLABORATE. Collaborative. Thank you. Have a colorful day.
Today's History of Week is brought to you by Kartika from VI Sapphires. World Bank to History of Climate. World Bank to History of World Bank to harsh climate demands found despite opposition from developing nations. Mosquitoes are driving Akiki, a Hawaii bird, to extinction only 5 in the valley. Choking New Delhi shutters schools and shows cricket World Cup. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Today's thought is brought to you by Sri Desita Red Coral. Today's thought: every day must be the day to learn something new. I repeat my thought: every day must be the day to learn something new. Thank you. Have a nice day. Indian sport is brought to you by Ashwata Station. City rules inter-group competition for Republic Day and 2004. Sangareddy Police State Bay shops illegal gas drinking stations. 14. India dethroned Japan to pride title in Women's ASEAN Trophy in hockey. International Olympic Committee puts boxing on hold for 2028 LA Games. Thank you. Today's amazing fact is brought to you by Amulya of VI Forum. Fact number 1. Everything is made up of atoms. Fact number 2. Light travels 299,792,458 meters per hour. Fact number 3. Sounds travels in waves and need a medium to travel. Fact number 4. The universe is vast and expanding. Fact number 5. It is constant spinning, which is why we have a night. Thank you. The question for grade 1 to 3 is brought to you by Vishnu of grade 5 Korat. Question for grade 1. A figure with 3 sides is known as. Yes, you pick the right answer, and the answer is triangle. Let us appreciate it. Question for grade 2. Which is the smallest 2-digit number? I repeat it again. Which is the smallest 2-digit number? 10. Yes, you pick the right answer. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 3. Question for grade 3. The smallest even number is 2. Yes, pick the right answer. And the answer is 3. Let us appreciate them. Information and math is brought to you by Akash of grade 5 Coral. Information math. The number system is simple a system and represent or express numbers. There are various types of number system and most common used ones are decimal number system, binary number system called decimal number system. Thank you. Have a great day. Maximum temperature container in the Celsius, minimum temperature container in the Celsius. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Happy morning, everyone. Today's information of hockey is brought to you by Rohan of Grade 5 Chorus. Major Dhyan Singh was a Indian field hockey player. Records by many as the greatest field hockey player in history. He was known of the extraordinary ball control and goal speed, and addition the earning 3 Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932 and 1936. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.
International and national news is brought to you by Electronic from Grade 5 Chorus. International news. Israeli troops surrounded Gaza City and cut off northern part of territory. China urged Myanmar to cooperate on maintaining stability on borders. National news. Parliament speaks about reports on criminal ways. UP to stability people